I think actually this was like $6. So like, I don't know how to feel about that. Like, maybe this is bad for me, but it's fine. Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here and interrupt really quick to give a quick disclaimer. I know I refer to a lot of this video as a glow up challenge, and at this time I did plan on making it a glow up challenge. I'm aware that most of these videos are really structured and there's a final outcome product. However, I actually filmed this a couple months ago. At this time of my life, I was super unmotivated and I would start projects and never finish them. Needless to say, that's sort of what happened in this video. I already had it all edited and I thought it was pretty funny content anyways, so I thought I would throw it out there. I am working on more content as we speak. For now, I just wanted to put this out there as a fun little video. I guess you could consider this more of like a pamper day vlog, day in my life sort of thing, but I still thought it was fun and something that could brighten your guys' day during this crazy time. So let's just get right into it. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing something really fun and not something I do very often. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a glow up challenge. And honestly, I don't even know if it's really like a challenge, but I felt like it was suitable. Yeah, that's fun. So basically the purpose of this video is to pretty much make myself look less, I don't know, maybe that's a little bit harsh. Nicole, I love you, but
we gotta do some work, so
I can't do this all in one day. And so today I'm going to be doing a couple of things that are going to help me with my glow up challenge. Just listing a few, I might miss a few, but today I'm going to be going and getting my eyebrows done because holy cow, these boys need some help. And I've been kind of pushing it off until I really have to. So, oh, I see some bubbles. Mike, shh. So right now, literally right now, I'm gonna be getting my eyebrows done, and I think I'm gonna get my lip wax because I don't know, I just probably should do that. So I should probably get my nails done when I'm there, but to be honest, I don't know if I want to spend money on that, so I might do it myself. So we're just gonna roll with it, see what happens. I think it's gonna be so fun and exciting. So let's just get right into it. Holy cow, I just yeeted that thing. Woo!
that was risky business.
Okay, so now that I'm free to talk, here's the dilemma. So personally, I always end up having an issue with my freaking eyebrows. There's just this thing that a lot of the nail salon ladies do. My eyebrows are pretty thick. I always want them to just go just a little bit, like just a little bit thinner, you know, and it's always an issue. I'm always trying to figure out how to tell them, you know? So you would think if I'm saying that they would be like, oh, okay, yeah, let's do it a little bit thinner, you know? Nope. No. We always have the same issue. Their version of good is always different than my version of good. Therefore, we always have issues. I've definitely learned to just say like,
bro, I want them like this,
you know, but you know, sometimes it just doesn't go my way. So basically nobody can really get it right, and there's only one lady, her name is Katie, and she does a great, fabulous job, but I don't know if Katie's gonna be there today, so we're in for a surprise, and I'm willing to take that risk. So let's just like rehearse what I'm gonna say. Hey, hi. Yeah, hey, how are you? So I want to get my eyebrows done, but can you please, I think like the top, okay, wow, this is going really bad.
hey, how are you?
Good, nice to see you, okay. Oh no, not a cleanup, like make them thinner. No, I don't want them, okay, actually I don't know what I'm saying, wow. Okay, well I'm just gonna let you guys know when I get there and we're just gonna roll with it. Yeah, let's just get my eyebrows done. Okay, I like to take a toilet paper thing and put it all around because it takes off all the oil because I put, that makes me break out, so. Oh, okay, so here's the brows. Here's the final result. I think they look great. You know, they kind of look a little irritated right now, but that's fine. She did a good job. I kid you not, right as I got in, I was like, oh, I kind of want them to be a little bit thinner. She was like,
oh, no. She's like, no. The eyebrows are beautiful. They're thick. That's what's in style.
and I was like, yeah, but that's not what I want. So anyways, they have these really good candies that I love. I don't know what they're called. I don't know how to pronounce them. I think it's Damla. This is the peach flavor, and I get them every time. It's kind of like Haichu, but so good. Anyways. Oh god, wait, I'm sorry. Okay, so the next step to glow up is making sure you have the proper makeup to make yourself look bomb. Actually, I'm so sorry that I said that. I don't like that. So, let me rephrase that. So, the next step to a glow up is to have the proper makeup to make yourself look great and presentable. So I'm going to be going to Ulta right now and grabbing my concealer that I think I got a concealer at the beginning of summer. That was literally 3 months ago. So I need to go get a new concealer, and yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to buy because I'm kind of poor right now. So okay guys, so I successfully made it out of Ulta in probably 15 minutes, which is very, very rare, but I also saw people that I knew and I did not want to say hi to them, so that's partly why. But I only ended up getting 2 things, and mostly because this is on a budget. So they discontinued my favorite Maybelline concealer, so I had to get this one again, which is good. I do enjoy it, and it doesn't have like parabens or anything, which is like super cool. But anyway, so I got this. I don't even know if I got the right shade, to be honest, but like, sorry. And then this I just kind of bought on a limb, but like also like if this video is about like pampering and glowing up, like then this is the way to go. So I got this Freeman French Pink Clay Peel Off Mask, and it's pore clearing, I guess. It looks like that. Actually, that was just pointless. But this was like I think actually this was like $6. So like, I don't know how to feel about that. Like, maybe this is bad for me, but it's fine. So yeah, that's what I got from Ulta. Thanks for watching for that little haul. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go home. So I just got home. Now I feel like so crusty and like my eyelashes are like wet. So I'm gonna deveil. I'm gonna change into some comfy clothes, and I'm gonna take my makeup off, and then I'll be back with you guys for the self-care part of the night. Okay, so I just changed into this shirt. Yeah, that's my comfy clothes, so yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking my makeup off. Wow, I look like kind of evil. What? Okay, so I'm gonna run my warm water. Okay, now I look like a crazy person. If you're one, to have a makeup wipe, and I just rub that shit off. So, scrub-a-dub-dub. So, I love to take off my makeup because I feel like a baby. Okay, I'm done taking off my makeup. I'm gonna go eat some spaghetti, and then I'm going to come back up here and take my little bath. So let's just, let's go eat, okay. Alright guys, so right now, I don't know if you can hear me, but my bathtub is filling up, so it's just filling up over there, you know. Once the thing fills up, I'm gonna use my bath bomb later. Okay, so I'm pretty confident in the amount of water that is in the bathtub right now. I'm gonna put my first bath bomb in the water, so let's just see how that unfolds and get right into it. Alright, let's do it. I'm already sweating and I'm not even in the bath. I don't know how I'm gonna like this. Okay, bye. Let's do it. This looks so cool. Look at that. Holy cow. I am amazed. Okay, so let's just hop right in. Oh my god. Oh god, it's really hot. Holy cow. Now I'm gonna watch some YouTube and I'm gonna sweat my ass off because I get really hot. Bye.
I'm really excited. So I would have my hair and makeup on, and my outfit on, I'm just wearing like
This is fun.
I don't have the shoes on right now. I haven't quite.
Okay, now what? Look at that. This one's on. That's gonna get. This is way too hot. Growing up is not that fun when it comes to bath time. Look at me. Let me just talk about this. You have time to take care of yourself and do bath bombs all the time and wear face masks and stuff. That's beautiful. I admire you. But in all honesty, I don't know how I could do this. Any baths? Like, maybe I should put some cold water because this is so hot. Look at me. Are you kidding me? Alright, so I think I'm kind of done with this bath. To be honest, I think it's beautiful and I don't want to drain it just because of how pretty it is. But honestly, the galaxy is ready to go. I'm ready to go now, so let's just carry on to that. Also, I'm going to do a little dip, so let's just see how that goes. My ear. Oh, I gotta go shower. Okay, so for the last two steps of tonight, take my hair out, and then I'm going to show you guys what I am going to put in my hair. So this is the one and only argan oil treatment, and you can use this as a leave-in treatment, but I do it every time I get out of the shower. I like to comb my hair out, just like that much. Oh god, it's a little too much. Rub it between my palms, and I just like to put this on my ends. Do not put this in your roots. Now that the hair is done, I'm going to pop in with the face mask. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or until dry, and then gently peel off the mask. Ooh, that looks pretty. That's fine. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, so you can't really see it, but I'm going to do my best to like make this visible for you guys. Says to let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be back. Okay, so my face is starting to feel a lot more tense, you know? That's why my lips aren't moving very much, because my face feels really like tight, which is a good sign. It's doing its job, but my lips are kind of chapped. Okay. So I think it's hardened up and ready to take off, so that's good. Oh my god. Okay, do you see that? Oh, okay, that's a good sign. But also like, ow. Okay. Holy shoot. Mother trucker. You're actually kidding me. I think that was the most satisfying thing I ever have peeled off myself. This was $5. Wow. Good job, Ulta, or whatever brand this is. You did amazing. Wow, I'm so shocked. I think that it did wonders for my face. So for the final step tonight, I am going to put some acne cream on my pimples, which I have right here, 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 and a couple right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that really quick. Affected area, and go ahead and dab that on there. Alright, so I think that is it for tonight. Sorry for such an abrupt ending to the video. Like I said, this was just never finished. Thought it was kind of funny. It's kind of a jumble of a video. Could be skincare, could be Pamper Day, could be glow up, I don't even know, whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys have any other video recommendations, feel free to leave those in the comments below. Subscribe if you want. I hope you guys are all staying safe and sane and doing the things that you never got the chance to do before. So see you guys later. Bye.